What's up guys, what's up, it's your boy XO, and in this video I will show you guys a really simple price action forex trading strategy that you can use to make a lot of cash trading in the forex and stock and cryptocurrency markets. This strategy works in in all markets guys, so watch this video to the end so you don't get destroyed, wrecked, like I always say in all my videos, because it's very important that you guys watch this video to the end.
Alright guys, so as you can see at this point, there's a breakout. Like I said, these two highs, this double top, the markets came back, and these double tops, and the markets came back to retest. Guys, this is a third party. Like I'm talking after I've recorded this because I forgot to turn on my recorder, so I'm just doing the pre-recording. So this is my Fibonacci tool, and the markets came back to the 50 and the 61.8 zone, and you can see that beautiful engulfing candlestick at that point. And let's get in the trade, and let's see how the trade ended up to be. So like I said, this is a pre-recorded video. I was recording, but I forgot to turn on my microphone. But well, let's see the result of this trade.
Okay guys, so I looked at my stats and I saw that only a small percentage of people who watch my videos actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. And don't forget to like and share this video to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. You never know guys, this video could change someone's life. And if you have any video ideas you want me to make, drop it a comment and I will try my best to make that video. So guys, first and first, this is a pure price action forex trading strategy that I'll be showing you guys. It's really easy to understand. If you get to understand it, it's really easy. Alright guys, so first and first is let's get over the rules and condition of this trading strategy. So the number one rule is we want to see, guys, this is just a clear break and retest pattern, a break and retest of market structure in the market. So but we have to use the Fibonacci retracement tool for this strategy. So actually it's a pure price action if you want to, but Fibonacci is not an indicator, right? It's not an indicator, it's a tool that shows us market structure. So alright guys, so at this point, this is where the market got to. The market got to this point. This is the highest point the market got to before it retraced back down to this point. So if you're looking at it from this perspective, it's actually a break and retest of some sort, if you want to call it that. It's actually a break and retest. But looking at this market structure at this point, the market did not come back to retest it. Actually, this was a break, but this two candlestick is quite on the weak side, all right? But because it's a break and retest, I will count this as a check. Like this is a good, as you can see, this was a breakout of this structure. You can see the market got to this point and it retraced up, it came back and it retraced back up, and finally the market broke out from this point, and you can see this three bullish candlestick retraced back and it's engulfed, right? So because it's a retracement doesn't mean that we'll just jump in the trade blindly. We have to see kind of like a retracement of market structure, and our entry criteria, like our entry confirmation, is actually the engulfing candlestick. So at this point you can see that this candlestick engulfed this candlestick. So you're clearly looking to get in on this trade at this the entry will be at this engulfing candlestick. So guys, like I said, our entry will be at this engulfing candlestick. So if you watch my videos guys, you know that I always love to use the ATR for my stops and targets, but for this video this is going to be a pure price action, no indicator. But if you want to, you can use the ATR 1.5 on this entry, but for the sake of no indicator on this video, I'll be using pure market structure to take my stops and targets. So for my stops and targets, I'll be using the previous market structure. Like if you got in on the trade at this point, then your stop should be just above the engulfing candlestick, just slightly above at this point. So I always say a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even, and a 1 to 1.5 is a good profit target.
and a 1 to 2 is even great. So as you can see, we won this trade for a 1 to 1, for a 1 to 2. So guys, this is very simple and very easy to understand. Just a basic price action trading strategy. For like, this is a sell trade, so let me just find a buying trade and get back to you guys. Alright guys, so for the buying trade, let's use let's see. You see that the market made these two highs. The market got to this point, retraced, got to this point and retraced. So we're looking to take this as a major level of resistance. Not like major, but I'll be looking at this point as a level of entry. So the market broke out at this point and it came back here to retrace. So for the retracement, we for our entry, we saw an engulfing candlestick at this point. So the market made these two double tops at this point, broke out and came back to retest. So I'm looking to take my trade at the retest, and not just blindly taking the trade on the retest. We're looking to take our trade on this engulfing candlestick. And if you notice guys, I used a Fibonacci on that other pattern. That is not necessary guys. It's totally useless to use the Fibonacci. I just drew it down there just to, I don't know, just to play around, but it's not necessary guys. Just a break and retest of market structure is all you need in this strategy. So it's just purely price action guys, pure price action. But if you want to, you can use your Fibonacci tool. It's up to you guys. So for the retest, we saw the engulfing candlestick, and let's take this trade for a buy. So for a buy at this point, your stops just below the engulfing candlestick, or just below that market, that's rectangle 2 line. So as you can see, like I said, a 1 to 1, move your stops to break even, and a 1 to 1.5, or a 1 to 2, then close the entire trade and close the entire trade on a 1 to 2. But if you want to, you can trail your stops and cover as much moves as the market gives you. As you can see, the market gave us a 1 to 3.6 on this trade. So it all depends on what you want. This is an easy break and retest price action trading strategy, you know, candlestick pattern for an engulfing candlestick, which is your entry confirmation. All right, so the stops is below the engulfing candlestick, a little bit below the engulfing candlestick, just a little bit below, not just as don't put it right at that engulfing level, just put it a little bit below the engulfing candlestick, and bank in the trade, like close the trade on a 1 to 2 or a 1 to 1.5, depending on how risk tolerance you are on the trade. All right, or you can trade your stops and move your stops to break even once you hit a 1 to 1 on a trade. And let me show you guys this the other trade we took. So like I said, the market got to this point. You can see this double bottom. The market got to this point, retraced a little bit, came back and retraced, and it finally broke out from this point, and it's retested that same double bottom at this point, and it's engulfed, and we got in the trade. So like I said, your stops should be just slightly above this engulfing candlestick, which we got it covered. All right, so a 2 to 1 was a 2 to 1 is a great profit target if you want to. A 1 to 1.5, a 1 to 3, a 1 to 1 million, whichever one you want guys, it's up to you. So go back and back test the strategy and see if it's something you like and it's something you would like to keep on trading.
Alright guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.